Hey, what's up, everyone? Fab Creation is here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of BeamNG.drive, the ultimate playground for automotive mayhem. We've got some insane crashes and stunts lined up for you, so buckle up and let's get started. Alright, here we are in the beautiful world of BeamNG.drive. Just look at this stunning environment. But you know us, we're not here for sightseeing, we're here to wreak some havoc. Let's start off by picking the perfect vehicle for our mayhem. I'm thinking something big and powerful. Ah, there we go, the Ferrari. This beast is about to meet its match. First up, let's see how this beauty handles a high-speed collision. We've got a ramp set up, and we're going full throttle. Ouch. That's gonna leave a mark. But you know what they say, no pain, no gain. Now, it's time for some gravity-defying action. Can our Ferrari conquer the loop-de-loop of death? Let's find out.